Hey guys, it's me, PackersFan42 here with another game preview about Thursday night's Packers-Bears game, where I think the lousy Bears are going to lose to the Packers 24-3. This is because, let's be honest, the Bears' offense sucks. They traded away their best player, Jordan Howard, in the offseason for only a 6th-round pick, and then traded up to draft a running back that most writers are saying is even slower than Howard was in the first place. Not to mention, their quarterback, Mitch Trubisky, still can't throw to his left, so I don't even know how they expect to challenge this loaded new Packers defense because, in case you didn't hear, the Packers revamped their defense this offseason by adding ball hawk safety Adrian Amos, who will completely lock down our secondary, as well as edge rushers Zadarius Smith, Preston Smith, and first-round pick Rashawn Gary. With studs like this at edge, the Bears' no-name tackles will have their hands full, to say the least, and will likely give up some pressure, which we know Trubisky can't handle. Ultimately, I don't expect Matt Nagy, who's just another example of the NFL's love of unproven offensive head coaches that can't even win playoff games, to have enough smoke and mirrors in his bag of tricks to even get the Bears into the end zone on Thursday night. On the other side of the ball, the Packers finally ditched idiot head coach Mike McCarthy in favor of renowned young offensive coach Matt LaFleur, who I think is a great hire. He's bringing in a new offense that should allow Aaron Rodgers to take advantage of the defensive regression the Bears will undoubtedly face due to the departure of their genius defensive coordinator Vic Fangio. They also lost stud defensive backs Adrian Amos and Bryce Callahan and replaced them with laughable safety Clinton Dix and penalty machine Buster Screen, so I just don't think they'll have the talent anymore to compete with the now fully healthy Aaron Rodgers. RELAX, Packers fans. This one should be pretty easy. Packers 24, Bears 3.